it's Sandy here. If you're new here, I am a South African beauty and lifestyle content creator, and I try to post new videos here every week. That didn't sound confident at all. This is not my usual type of content, okay? I went into this evil store, right? I don't usually walk in there. I usually don't have business in here. What I actually went to the ice store for. By the way, this is the one in Warmer Park Shopping Center in Gimble. Why am I saying that like we have more than one store in the whole city? We only have the one store there. So what I actually went for is USB Type-C charging block. I'm tired of buying like the fake ones or the cheap ones because it just breaks. I'm just tired of it breaking, and then I'm stranded with no phone charger and I'm trying to charge my phone through like the computer, and it's just no. So I said I'm gonna go to the iStore and buy an original charging block because my new phone, the 13 Pro Max, it didn't come with the charging block. And then when I took out the cable from the box, I took out the cable from this box, right? I saw that the end of the cable isn't like the normal USB anymore. It's this. And I was like, I don't have a charging block that fits this. What's happening here? I'm also considering getting one of the MagSafe wireless chargers one day, but not today. Why is there a manual with the charging block? Anyway. Wow, that's nice. Oof. Was it worth 400 Rand? I guess we'll never know, hey? We'll never know. I did not walk into the iStore to buy this. Yes, I've been interested in getting one of these, but I did not walk in there intending to buy this today. I just asked the sales guy out of interest, like, yo, do you guys stock the DJI Osmo gimbals? And he was like, yeah, we do. We have the 4 version and the 5 version. And I was like, oh, let me check the price. And I saw it in front of me, so I was like, yeah, now or never. And the price at the iStore wasn't like more expensive than any other place I could have bought this. I paid the same price you would pay anywhere. What this is, Osmo DJI SE4 smartphone gimbal. This is a great gimbal for iPhones specifically, but you can use it with an Android phone. If you don't know what a gimbal is, it's a thing you put your phone on to like hold it when you're recording outdoors, and like stabilizes the phone so that, you know, your video doesn't look like this. I always think of ways to like up my video quality and stuff, and I felt like I really wanted one of these. It's an investment. Also, I tried to convince myself. I don't buy things like this often. It's so fun. Wow. I mostly buy like makeup and things, you know. How do I open this box now? Oh, there's a sticker down here at the bottom. Ooh. What does it say? Create magnetic moments. We have some basic instructions on how to attach your phone to it. Oh wow. I don't know. This is a thing. You see, it's a thing. This thing is in here. And yeah, this is the gimbal itself. Wow, it's gorgeous. Plastic. Reminds me of the plastic that those crutches. You know, you walk and you get those crutches and you can hold it, and if you break your leg then you walk. You know, it reminds me of crutches, especially the grey color. That was a very random thing to compare it to. Oof! This is the stand, the tripod base stand. This is a thing. Wow! Wow! I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. How does my... There's a magnet. Yeah, let me read the instructions. Also came with a power cord. I love this. Oof. Quality feels so great. Look at these buttons. Definitely need to read the instruction manual because I don't know. Let's open this up. I'm an idiot. I'm trying to open from the side, but you open it from the top. Oh wow. Here's the case. Comes with a little storage pouch. I like this a lot. This is a wrist strap. And here we have the instructions. This is all that it came with. We have the gimbal itself with the magnetic clasp thing. It has the storage bag, the wrist strap, the charger, and the little tripod base. And also screw this onto a normal tripod stand, which I'm looking forward to doing. This thing has like face tracking, the software, so if you screw this onto a normal tripod stand, and let's say you're doing your video, then you know if you use the face tracking, it's always going to be in frame. This is my old iPhone 10. I'm gonna try to put that on here. Okay, it fits nice and snug on the phone like that, and then it just cooms on. That is very dangerous. Oh, I think I need to put it on. This phone is just chilling there, making me very, very nervous. The amount of trust I need to put in this magnet. Oh, this is the on button. Did you see that? It moved. It moved on its own. Wow. Oh, but it's not straight. If you press this button, like the phone, the stand rotates. Oh, that's cool. It is quite heavy having to hold this because you're holding the weight of the device and the phone. You have to download the DJI Memo app, which is what I'm trying to do. Maybe I'll do a TikTok video once I figure out, or maybe I'll do a YouTube short, because that's also a thing when I figure out like with the software and things. But yeah, you saw what came in the box. Let me just try and screw on the little tripod thing. Actually, let me pull this off. Ooh, when you put it off, it goes into this position. The magnet feels very strong on here, by the way. So I actually do trust it. It's gonna hold my phone. There's a temporary sticker on the back of this device here, and it tells you how to recenter it. You press this button like twice. If you press it thrice, something else happens. They tell you here to use the app for this device for the first time. I'm gonna need to figure that out and connect this thing with Bluetooth and stuff. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my chaos and probably no productive information that I gave you. But I hope you enjoyed that video, and you know, maybe you now found a product that you didn't know you needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!